Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to boil red bean soup using an easy method. First, rinse 1 cup of red beans very well under cold water. Then, place the rinsed beans into a bowl and add 3 cups of water. Let them soak overnight, or for at least 8 hours. This crucial step helps soften the beans, making them cook much faster and more evenly. After soaking, drain the red beans and transfer them to a large pot. Add 6 cups of fresh water. Bring the pot to a strong, rolling boil over high heat for about 10 minutes. Then, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let the beans simmer gently for 45 to 60 minutes. They should be tender but not mushy. Now it's time to add sweetness to your soup. Stir in about 1/2 cup of sugar, or rock sugar, adjusting the amount to your personal preference. Continue to simmer the soup for another 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the sugar to fully dissolve and the flavors to meld. The soup will naturally thicken a bit more as it cools down. Your delicious, easy red bean soup is now ready to enjoy. You can serve it warm, which is comforting, or chilled, which is refreshing on a hot day. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Store any leftover soup in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.